you're looking at Hostly, the fastest, the most reliable, and the most secure hosting platform. So, like I said, it's SLS-based technology. SLS means super light speed. Light not as in speed of light, but as in, low weight, low of weight. I don't know how to say that, but light speed. Um, so the whole focus of Hostly, among all, you're going to see there's a bunch of features and everything. It's going to be exciting, but the focus is speed, reliability, and security. All right. These three focuses are what makes Hostly stand out from every single hosting company out there. And that is beyond even the fact that you can host unlimited websites. We have no limitations, no monthly fees, and no upsells, no upgrades. All right. So Hostly is a premium hosting solution to host unlimited websites and domains on blazing fast servers at a one-time fee with zero restrictions. So I'm going to mention some of the benefits here. Trust me, you're going to love this. This is fantastic for any business. Now, of course, if you have clients, I'm going to discuss about that a little bit later, or an agency, remember that every single thing in this webinar that you get excited about, every single feature, there is millions, hundreds of millions of people around, businesses around the world, and websites that will be excited about the same thing. Because at the end of the day, every single person online who has a business or interested in having a business is using a hosting company to host their websites. It is just a matter of which company you're using. So for you, you can switch to Hostly if you want to, and of course enjoy the benefits. But one big benefit of Hostly, as you're going to see, is the agency part, where you can go ahead and allow others to switch to Hostly, and you get paid all the money. Okay, so you get paid the money instead of Hostly getting paid the money. Yeah, so we'll get there. It's really cool. So host unlimited websites and domains on cloud hosting servers, unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption to protect you and your websites, unlimited bandwidth so websites can handle high traffic without compromising the site's performance, blazing fast servers to load pages at bullet speed for higher conversion rates. And remember what I said before, the website loading speed, there is no golden ratio. The slower it is, the less your website is going to perform in a snowball effect, okay? And the faster it is, the better it's going to perform on a snowball effect, okay? So keep in mind that the faster you can make it, even a 0.1 second, like we showed before, is going to be enough to have a significant improvement. So the faster, the better. Also, you get your own personalized email account to create and manage emails. A one-click WordPress installation with a powerful cPanel inside as well. 100% cloud-based and reliable servers, okay, to optimize your site performance and functionality. You can install over 100 scripts in one click for all of your needs. So you can choose which scripts you want. These scripts are there, some of them for SEO, some for extra loading speed, some for compressing images. So all these different things, right? When you go ahead and you start, you got into your hosting company and you start building your website, creating a website, you can go ahead and click in one click install over 100 scripts to make your website simply ready. Okay, just ready to go. Very simple, which is a fantastic time saver. Unlimited database to manage and create MySQL database, unlimited free SSL certificates for all of your websites, add DNS records of your accounts, and it just goes on and on. You can read yourself here. Of course, no monthly subscription, like I said, no upsells whatsoever. So Hostly works in 3 simple steps, super simple. This is, once again, there's all the features which you're going to see in a few minutes, but to set up Hostly, to get ready to go, it's very simple. There's nothing. By the way, we have a full migration feature, which means if you currently are hosting on a platform and you want to move to Hostly, you can do so in just a few clicks without having to do everything manually or even start over. Okay, so step number 1 is logging and enter your or your client's domain details. So if you choose to get Hostly today, you'll have a separate a dashboard as an admin, basically as a agency owner, where you can go ahead and create accounts for clients, or go ahead and set it to create automatically if they purchase. All right, so it's pretty cool. So step number one, log into the ultra secure Hostley account and insert your domain name. You can add unlimited domains and unlimited websites. Step number two is the initial setup. It takes 1 to 5 minutes. The very, very simple setup. So start managing your hosting account from our user-friendly and powerful cPanel in just minutes. And you can go ahead and install all the scripts. Very simple. So in one click, you can install over 100 web scripts, which will take care basically of everything. So like I said, image compression, SEO, you name it, it's all there. All right, in one click. And basically at that point, your website is ready to go, right? It's just a matter of adding your content and doing whatever you want to do, because that's it. So the benefits here are much beyond the features and the simplicity and the pricing. It's just an all-encompassing better deal, in my opinion, than every single hosting platform out there, simply because um, these other, like I said before, these hosting companies are not not trying hard enough, I guess. Um, I don't know. It's a little bit frustrating, to be honest, the state of the hosting industry. But of course, luckily today we are with a solution. All right, so let's not get into the negative. Let's think about the positive, and the positive is, of course, what we have for you today.
Hostly, and what you're going to learn over the webinar and the whole package, and it's absolutely crazy what they've packaged in here. The access, the login to the dashboard is that simple. Okay, there's many parts to it. This is the dashboard, this is the hosting part, and then we got the My Drive and the website builder. I seen someone in the chat box was mentioning he wants to see the website builder. I'm going to show you, you're going to love it. Anyways, so to enter the hosting part, once you log in, you got your hosting and it says manage. Okay, now obviously if you when you want to host your actual domain name, if you have it on a different provider like Namecheap, whatever, name.com, you have to set the name servers to ns1.hostly.io and ns2.hostly. You have to point it to the hosting platform right here, to Hostly, right? You go to manage, it opens up the client area. And by the way, it's very secure. It logs you out. So if you've been, for 10 minutes not active on the platform, it logs you out automatically, which is good for security as well. Now I've added this domain right here. I didn't verify it yet, but I'm going to show you how you access into the cPanel. Okay, so I've entered here. Here you can actually set up your email accounts, forwards, autoresponder as well. Please, as Tom mentioned, don't spam. I see there's a lot of people when they look at hosting, they want to send like bulk email. Okay, your list, okay, but don't spam the network because you would be affecting someone else. Okay, and they're not going to take it easy on you if you do spam the network, obviously. Autoresponder, file manager, backup, it does automatic backup. You can set the subdomains, add-on domains, cron jobs, everything. Okay, now to access the cPanel, you just go to login to cPanel. It opens up automatically. 1 second. Tom, you can still see my screen, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So right here, skip, and this is the cPanel where you got everything. You can manage all your websites right in here. Email, the email part, email routing, default addresses, email filters. You can set everything up in here. SSL certificate is automatic. They're going to provide you unlimited SSL, secure SSL, which, SSL certificates on their own, they cost yearly around, depending on the company, but between $70 to $100 a year, right? You're going to get for free for unlimited websites. So this is unheard of. This is the IP address right here. The billing. So obviously, if you're I don't know if Tom did mention that, or he's keeping it, as a surprise factor to the end, but you'll be able to resell as well. Okay, this is an advantage. The file manager, images, everything is right in here. It's super lightning fast. You can install WordPress websites, and click, basically. Everything is right here, Okay, your whole cPanel, you don't have to worry about monthly expenses, recurring billing, nothing at all. Okay, now this is very straightforward. When it comes to the, oh, and you can actually manage your emails. So log into webmail right from here. You just log in. So once you're in the dashboard, it saves your password, and all you have to do is log into webmail, place the email address password that you set up in cPanel, and you'll be into your emails. Okay, and you can change the password of the whole dashboard right in here. Very simple. Now, in the original dashboard as well, with this whole, special on this webinar, okay, on this live webinar, they're giving you the My Drive, okay, where you can actually, it's right here, you can actually upload all your files, images, any important filings, uh, right into the dashboard right here. It gives you up to 1 TB, okay? No monthly fees, nothing comes with the package. You don't have to use Dropbox anymore and pay the monthly fees as well, just right in here. Now, the cool part, and someone was asking, like he was really eager to know about the website builder. So everything you access here is just My Drive. You can press website builder, it takes you to website builder, and you create the account. Obviously, I created it, so it's right here, Hostley Builder. I created that simple website as a test. Here you can assign the domains. So you connect your domains right in here. It gives you instructions on pointing them into the system, and that's it. It connects, and then you can create a website. Now I picked this template, but there's a lot of templates. So look at this, new project. Okay, you got a bunch of different templates right here you can pick from. They're actually really cool ones. So I picked the yellow one because I thought it's very what can I say, shiny, right? Like it's very cool and shiny. I like it. Or you can actually start from blank, so you can place the banners, headers, sections, everything. But let's go back to where I set up mine right here. Okay, and check the website builder. So here it is. This is the whole website right in here. uh, I can go to layout, container one right here. I can change it to double rows, like you can pick the options. Obviously, it's very straightforward. You can see I can cut it into different sections, etc. And then you got the container two, which is, those bunch of containers that you add onto your website to edit them. It's very easy to edit every section. And then you've got the elements section, components. You can add progress bar, right, into the system. You see that bar, so it shows, once they're in or they bought something, it would show the progress bar, and that they're almost done, etc. You can add background images, shadows. You can adjust everything, the padding, the thickness of the padding, margins. It's obviously something you would edit based on your taste and what you want to come up with at the end, but it's all drag and drop, very simple, very fast. Okay, borders, border roundness, all of that cool stuff. You can add cards, image header, material box, navigation bars, pricing tables. So you just have to take that here and you got a pricing table. Very simple. Okay, go back to elements, service list, user profile, and you got the layout. You can add dividers, div containers, div containers, rows, everything, media, responsive videos onto the website. And actually this hosting hosts your websites too, right? So a lot of people go to Vimeo and they host their videos right there and pay hefty monthly subscriptions. You can actually host your videos on Hostly right here. uh, Typography, there's a bunch of it, links, heading, page headers, buttons, all of it is in here. Okay, forms as well, if you want them to fill the forms, checkbox, input group, form group, all of it. And there's the inspector part where you can edit, like I said, everything in here, even the mobile, tablet, laptop, kind of showcase and positioning. Okay, left, right, center. And here's the page SEOs. You can set this all up from here. And the settings, if you want it to auto save while you go. So if I'm editing right here, I press auto save, it would automatically save everything I do right in here. And there's a code editor for the people that are skilled and they want to like code a certain coloring into the website or something specific to them, or their, I don't know, affiliate link for a product they're promoting into the actual web page, you can use the code editor right in here, okay? And you save the project and you can view the actual website from here, okay? Very simple. You see, I added this while we're discussing that actual pricing table. I just added it while we're talking on the webinar. And you can take this off, you can add whatever you want in here. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. I love it. And look how fast it is. And you know, given I'm in Lebanon right now, internet is so bad. Okay, so this is fast. Anyways, Tom, and if you need support, training is all in here. Support is 24/7. Okay, Tom?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you, before, don't pause don't pause yet. Can you
Yep.
please go and compare another hosting company and see what they offer?
Okay. So
Any
let's see.
hosting company. I'm confident that no matter what they offer, their limitations will not be compared to Hostly. 100%.
Okay. So let's say GoDaddy right here. So you see, just if you want to take the WordPress hosting first, just WordPress. That's without cPanel, not your own logins, nothing unlimited. Okay, just WordPress. It's $10 a month. You know, with Hostly, you actually can get, host your own HTML websites. You can host whatever you want, whether it's WordPress, Joomla, whatever you want, right? But here they would offer you that only for very limited storage. Let's see here. Okay, you see those prices right here. So you get here $10 a month for 30 gigabyte storage, ideal for up to 25K monthly visitors. Okay, and you get in the deluxe $14, 75 gigabyte, and then you get to the $17 per month. Okay, they give you unlimited storage, one website. So if we calculate just the $16.99, $17, so say around average $20, let's say $200 a year, right? That's what you would be paying for this, just for one website, just one. And that's without the website builder, without the backup, the storage, the drive, everything else we mentioned in Hostly right now.
Yeah, and
Uh, yeah,
I'm
go ahead.
sorry. Notice how they're not talking about security and speed and all that stuff at all.
No, nothing. There's shit. Sorry to say it. I apologize, but I mean, I don't use GoDaddy. There's no way I would use GoDaddy, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you guys have seen it. It is what it is. A very unfortunate state in this industry. So thank you very much, Firas, for the demonstration. So as you've seen, what Firas showed you, we have a lot of features. I'm going to go over them right now. But just on the front of the pricing and on the value and on the limitations and the lack of focus on security and speed and the upgrades to get an SSL. And you've seen there, they have all these little dots indicating that this is actually not the monthly price. It's the yearly price, and in a year it's going to be a little bit more expensive. Man, this is extremely frustrating that this is the state of the hosting industry. Now, we all use it, we all need it, it is what it is, but no more, okay? With Hostly, you will not need to worry about these things, all right? So first off, unlimited website hosting and unlimited domains, unlimited bandwidth, which once again, it cannot be quantified like you have in these other platforms, in like he showed you in GoDaddy, what was like 25K visitors maximum, and no promises it's going to be quick. It's annoying, very high limitations, and you end up paying hundreds a year, thousands a year. Blazing super fast web hosting and optimized for speed, which is fantastic for search engine ranking as well. Easy to use cPanel with one-click WordPress installation. You get free SSL certificates, automated daily backups, 100% uptime guarantee. Yeah, this is just this is again what I said. Powerful SSD storage, unlimited personalized emails, free migration support, unlimited databases, firewall protection, advanced DDoS protection. So once again, we have a strong focus on the speed and on the protection. Malware protection, DNS control, 8-core powerful processor, so the servers are solid, all right, very solid. Spam assassin, and of course, full commercial rights. When you compare it to others, you can see Hostly basically has what no one else has, all right? So unlimited website hosting for limited domains, we have, no one else has. Unlimited bandwidth, we have, no one else has. Speed, once again, same thing. cPanel, same thing. Free SSL certificate forever, not just for a period. Only we have automated daily backups, DDoS protection, 100% uptime guarantee, personalized, unlimited personalized accounts. All of these features, and like I said, there is no upsells in Hostly. So fantastic, all right? And yeah, it's awesome, all right? So instantly, the benefits you will have is, first off, you'll cut down your current monthly expenses on hosting. So of course, you can do with that money whatever you want, but naturally, it's always good to pay less for more. Dazzle your visitors to boost your conversions and sales with lightning fast page loading speeds. Of course, you'll free up more money. What else here I can see that is a big benefit? More time, of course, yes, and of course faster. It's just you get the benefits. It's endless benefits. And also, of course, when a few other benefits is, first off, you will not need to use the expensive platforms. You will not need to pay monthly fees. You won't need to be in fear of losing your precious data to hackers or to the actual hosting platforms if you reach a limit and boom. Never again lose potential customers and sales because of loading site errors and slow loading speed. No monthly subscriptions, of course, no upsells, no upgrades, everything is included. And no, yeah. Just, I think it's better in every single way. So you save a lot of money. You can host and manage and access your websites from anywhere at any time on any device. You can save your files on your website from malware, ransomware with unlimited free end-to-end encryption. Save more time and energy to focus on other income-producing activities for your business. Just stuff you're getting Hostly front end, right? So on JVZoo, if you go and try to purchase this, it's going to cost you $100. Don't worry, on this webinar, it's all squeezed in one place as a bundle deal. So unlimited website hosting for limited domains, basically everything we mentioned so far, migration, and everything, all right? So everything we mentioned, the protection, etc. You also get Hostly Pro, which is another upsell that people need to pay extra $70 for that you won't need to. Includes all the protection, spam assassin, DNS control, and full commercial rights. Hostly Cloud Drive. So this is basically an alternative, way better alternative, also in the same dashboard to Google Drive, for example, right? So first off, you get a terabyte of cloud storage. It's 100% secure. You got a built-in video player to show your videos, file previews, drag and drop file management, password sharing, folder management, 30-day trash recovery of the files, encrypted storage, photos and video backups, unified search, works on almost every device, link sharing and expiration. Just, all these features, fantastic. You're getting it as well, all of this package. Once again, this is something that people need to pay an additional $70 to get access to if they are not on this webinar. So just so you understand how special you are for being on this webinar, how lucky you are, all right? Please understand that. And of course, you're getting the Hostly Done For You agency, which I discussed. It's basically the ability to resell accounts of Hostly, okay, to clients, and basically offer hosting to other people, but you can charge anything you want. So if your client, this also helps you find the clients as well. So if your client goes ahead and pays $1,000 a year for hosting, you can offer them Hostly, or basically hosting, for, let's say, $300, or if you want to go ahead and make it like $100 a year, something like that, or $69 a month, once again, it really depends on you. Then not only you save them a lot of money, but you also earn all the money, because all of the profits from the sale will go to you, not to Hostly. All right, so that's how powerful this done for you agency is. So each of your clients will have access to the features of Hostly plus Hostly Pro. 250 account license. You can have 250 clients with done for you sales materials for the best conversions. So that's, you can go ahead and sell hosting, or you can go ahead and just sell Hostly. You know, use the same sales page, use the same everything, and keep all the money. Create accounts for your clients using your own dashboard. We will handle the customer support for you. All you got to do is, take care of accepting the payments.